Nanganganib na matanggalan ng lisensya si Justice Secretary Boying Rimulya at 3 iba pa matapos silang sampahan ng disbarment complaint ni Acting Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte sa Korte Suprema. Kaugnay ito ng pagpapadala ng gobyerno kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa The Hague, Netherlands. Si Margot Gonzalez magbabalita.
Pinatatanggalan ni Acting Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte ng lisensya sa pagkaabogado sina Justice Secretary Boying Rimulya at Defense Secretary Gibo Chidoro sa Korte Suprema. Ito ay kasunod ng pag-aresto at pagpapadala sa kanyang ama sa International Criminal Court sa The Hague, Netherlands. Matatanan nangyari ang pag-aresto noong Marso ng kasalukuyang taon sa kabila ng pagtutol umano ng dating Pangulo dahil sa kawalan ng balidong warrant of arrest at due process. Damay din sa disbarment complaints sina DOJ Undersecretary Nicolas Felix T. at Prosecutor General Anthony Fadulyon. Ayon sa abogado, nilabag umano ng mga respondent ang Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability.
But this is related with the kidnapping as well as expulsion of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte towards The Hague, Netherlands. So in the light of the fact that the family has decided to file a disbarment complaint against these lawyers who happen to be high officials of the land. Acting Mayor Sebastian Z. Duterte decided to file it himself in behalf of the family.
Samantala, may pending application si Rimulya sa Judicial and Bar Council para sa ombudsman bid. Hindi maiwasan ng ilan na questionin ang timing ng reklamo. Pero gate ng abogado ni Baste, karapatan nila magsampa ng kaso anumang oras.
The option to file it as to when depends on the complainant. As you can see under Article 90 of the Revised Penal Code, prescription of crimes up to 20 years for grave offenses. So within the 20-year period, it's up for the complainant as to when to file it, because complainants may have different reactions, the psychological aspect, physical aspect, financial reasons likewise may come into play as to why they would delay the filing. But since they have already filed, then they have exercised that option.
Sa panig ni Rimulya, hindi na raw niya ikinagulat ang paghain ng disbarment ni Baste, pero para sa kanya, forum shopping ito dahil meron ng naunang reklamo na inihain ng kampo ni Duterte.
Expected yun, kaya nga, he filed in the Supreme Court already before. Forum shopping na to, it's forum shopping.
Pero hirit naman ni Atty. Torion.
The identity of causes of action is different. This is for the disbarment of the license of as a lawyer, whereas what we filed in the ombudsman would be the criminal aspects of the case as well as the administrative aspect of the case in the light of the fact that they are public officers. So as you can see, there is no forum shopping.
Para sa Diyos at Pilipinas Kumahal, Margot Gonzalez, SMNA News.